THOHUN-TELI 2018 is truly an intensive course and it's truly out of the box.
I'm really glad and that I have the chance to join THOHUN-TELI 2018. We have many friends from many countries.
They give me a lot of new viewpoints.
Here I get to unlearn, relearn and collaborate with others from a different background and different nationality to solve One Health issues.
We have learned to work in the local community.
It's like not only the knowledge but also the practically applying our knowledge to the villagers.
This moment can lead up my expertise and also my skill that I never know that I have it before.
So I will bring this knowledge and experience back to my university and hopefully it will benefit our students and my state and also my country.